Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 13 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find the system. Then let's tap on language and region and tap on edit. So we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on this plus icon next to it. I will pick Turkish. Your device will ask you whether you want to set the new language as a default one. So just confirm it by tapping on yes. And as you can see, after getting back, you can see that the Turkish language is at the top of this list, and from now on the whole system is displayed in the chosen language. Of course, you can also quickly change the language if you are here, if you've got more than one language is added. All you have to do is to tap on the language, in my case English, and confirm it by tapping on this first option. And as you can see, the English language in my case was set. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on edit and tap on this minus icon next to the language you'd like to remove. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.